Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for your continued support, and to those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I will share to you on how to make Lumpiang Shanghai, a type of egg rolls, which is famous Filipino dish. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell at the end of the video. To begin, we need 60 grams of minced pork. Then have 1 stalk of celery, finely cut into cubes. This recipe is made for 1 to 2 servings. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Write in the comment your name and the country you are watching my video, to be able to thank you for supporting my channel and my page. Your feedback helps us grow. Write your views in the comment. Put the celery in a bowl together with the minced pork. Then cut 1 piece of carrots into cubes. This recipe is just easy. One of the most important in this recipe is the proper way of rolling it, so better continue watching to become a professional lumpia roller. This spring rolls is a recipe that must try. Actually, whenever I cook this, my family love eating them as a snacks while watching their favorite midnight shows. Put the carrots in a bowl together with the minced pork and celery. Then minced 1 medium size of onion. This recipe is made easy for you to be able to follow. Check my playlist for more exciting, easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. Put all together on same bowl and we add the seasonings. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and some vegetable flavor. Let it mix well. You can also use hand in mixing, but make sure you have your kitchen gloves for sanitary purposes. Now we can start wrapping it. Separate individually the wrapper. Put the wrapper in a flat surface, placing it by pointing 1 corner on you, then add 1 full teaspoon of the ingredients. First, fold the one pointing on you, followed by folding the 2 side, then roll. And while rolling, pushing it a little bit towards you. This way it tightens the ingredients and close it with water. Some uses whisk egg or dissolve flour in a water. It depends on what kinds of wrapper you have. Continue the process until all ingredients are wrapped. Let's start frying them. In a heated pan with cooking oil, add the spring rolls. Make sure that your oil is very hot before putting them. It would take about 2 minutes or until they become golden brown. Then flip them. Did you able to follow the recipe? Now try to do this recipe and write in the comment your experience while cooking them. Lumpiang Shanghai is the ultimate appetizer. Golden, crunchy, and filled with ground meat, vegetables, and onions, these Filipino spring rolls are sure to be a party favorite. Crispy and delicious deep-fried Filipino egg rolls, or Lumpiang Shanghai. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.